Alright, everyone, hear me out. First thing, I'm not sure if you know or not, it's called Customuse. It's so good if you're creating GFX. No, sorry, not GFX. Clothing. It is probably the easiest way. You can earn money from it. Roblox. So if you go on my device, these are all the things I've made. These are all so good, and I loaded them to Roblox, so you can actually buy them if you want. I'll send the link in the description. I'll show you in a minute here. It's taking forever to load, but now it is not. It's not like you can't like you're not gonna get back from Roblox or whatever. It's just such an amazing. So great Microsoft responding. This is always happening in my videos, so annoying. But yeah, you can customize the current clothing, for example, suit, mix, remix, new outfit. Like customize it on how you like it. Okay, it could be. Now I recommend making it look really good, like my outfits. If you want to buy my outfits, I'll send the link in the description. But basically what you can do, it's not just red outfits that looks ugly if you upload it to Roblox. I recommend customizing it. We have black suit, grey suit, brown suits, however you like it. This ain't loading, this take forever. Hold on. Give it a couple of minutes. Good, hopefully. Why does this take so long? Come on. Day. Yeah, this ain't great. See if it's not let me click on this. Isn't that just beautiful, huh? Yeah, no, it's loading. I don't know. Doesn't anything work. You know what, this is pissing me off now. I'm sorry guys, but I can't show you an example, but just search it all up online, and I'm sure they'll give you examples. But it's so good, you can earn a lot of Robux from this. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, is it? So, bye.